Augmented reality prescription eyewear unlock new ways of working, playing, and even thinking. With Lumus and Luxexcel, augmented reality is true to life. As up to 75% of the world's population needs vision correction for optimum eyesight, the combination of Luxexcel's 3D printed prescription lenses with embedded smart technology and Lumus reflective Waveguide displays embedded within those lenses allow us to experience AR and to create fashionable, smart prescription eyewear, taking advantage of all environments without compromise. The Lumus reflective Waveguide AR displays project a full, bright spectrum of vivid hues even in broad daylight, delivering true colors for real life. This is achieved through the process of image reflection rather than image recompositing. Lumus Optics delivers up to 10 times efficiency advantage over competing solutions, resulting in longer-lasting battery life and efficient energy use. Our optics are ready whatever the day brings. To make AR glasses part of everyday life, they must both be accessible and reliable. We streamline the integration of prescription lens, projector, and waveguide, simplifying the supply chain, making our prescription lenses more durable and protected from the elements, and our technology ready to adapt to a wide array of eyewear applications. Attention to detail means reducing the interference that new technologies can bring. Lumus waveguides sidestep the waveguide glow resulting from light leakage, allowing us to meet face-to-face without being distracted by an interface. Through minimizing the size and weight of our AR technology, glasses can be fashionable. From the hidden projection unit, the prescription lenses, to the reduction of the display glow and image leak seen in existing products. With Lumus and Luxexcel, augmented reality technology is true to life.